Hey everybody, so this is just a quick video to show you how to change the language settings on a new LG Smart TV. So the first thing you want to do is you can do this in one of two ways. You can either just go up here and click on settings if you see the top right of on the screen, or on your remote control you have the wheel, and right below the wheel you have this settings button. And that will take you, open up a settings menu on the left side of the screen, and you could go to click here on all settings. And then from all settings, you will go to general. And then from general, you will go down to system. Click on system. And system, then you can click on language. And from language, you can click on menu language, and then you go down and you can change it to whatever you want. If I wanted to change it, for example, to French, I could change it to French. I'm not going to do that now, but anyways. So that's how you change the language on a LG Smart TV. Thanks for watching.